Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that big Homelite, that 707G. That's the 5.8 cubic inch. That was made in 1961. Very vintage, good running chainsaw. Got a 32-inch bar and chain on it. And we'll take a look at some of the features they had back in 61. Kill switch is right here in the middle, and the choke is tucked up underneath here. Alright, that lever right there is your choke, and it has a manual oiler, and that's a button right here. You just pump it every once in a while. It does have a throttle lock. It was quite an invention for back then. It's just a little lever. You lock it right there, and that holds it about 3/4 wide open. It's got wrap handlebars, which is very vintage for that year, and a very large falling spike. And there's that gearbox, and it runs real nice. We'll go outside and make a cut with this vintage 707G.